Welcome back. Want to update your WhatsApp profile name but not sure where to start? In this quick 2026 step-by-step tutorial, you will learn the easiest way to change your profile name in just a few taps. Follow along carefully and you will have everything updates in less than 2 minutes without any confusion or unnecessary step. First of all, open the WhatsApp application and make sure you are currently logged into your account. Also use the latest version of the app. After that, tap on the three dots more icon in the top right corner. Here, you can select the settings option. Once you are in the settings, look at the top right corner. Here, you can find the pencil icon. This is the edit option. Tap on it. Now, you can go to the profile section. Here, you can find the name option. Tap on it. Here, you can simply erase your current name and type the new name. For example, I am type John. So, type John. Then once everything is good, tap on the save button and automatically change your WhatsApp profile name in just a few taps. Thanks for watching. If this video will help you, please subscribe and check out our other simple WhatsApp tutorial for more useful tips today.